Today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride Bumper Pull Dump trailers. They come in a 10-foot length and you have a choice of either a 5-foot wide bed with 18-inch sides or a 76-inch wide bed with 2-foot sides. We're going to start up front and work our way to the back. Up front we have a forged 4-hole adjustable bumper pull coupler that allows you to adjust the height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure that your trailer rides level while going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy 4-inch channel tongue, which provides much greater strength and stability. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch, and more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Next, we have a 7,000-pound drop leg jack. Most other trailers have a much lighter jack than what we offer. We feature one of the heaviest jacks you can get for a trailer this size to make it easier when connecting and disconnecting your trailer from your vehicle. On the tongue of the trailer, you'll find the heavy-duty locking steel pump box. Inside it contains the high-capacity deep cycle marine-grade battery. This powers the electric over-hydraulic pump, which is controlled by a 15-foot corded remote. On the side, you have an onboard battery tester and charger. It allows you to push a button to see the status of the battery. If it's low, you simply lift the weatherproof flap and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord to charge the battery. Once a full charge is detected, the charger will shut itself off to prevent overcharging the battery. One important thing to note on our trailers is that the charger is an 8-amp charger, not the standard 3.5-amp chargers that are used by most competitors. What this means for you is that if you come home with a dead battery, you can plug it in and have it full and ready to go the next morning. Walking around to the side of the trailer, let's start with the main frame of the trailer, which is 4-inch heavy wall tubing. This makes for a much stronger and stiffer main frame than channel iron often used by many other manufacturers. Underneath the trailer, you'll find a single straight push cylinder hoist system. Some people ask which is better, scissor lift or cylinder lift. Each has their own application. We offer both and in the end let you, the customer, decide which is better for you. But we've found the cylinder system to have a bit more power, so that's why we made it the standard hoist system on our dump trailers. The top rail of the sides is made of heavy wall tubing to help preserve integrity even under severe use. Also on the rails you have stake pockets standard, so you can raise the side height if you wish. Another nice feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders, heavy enough that you can stand on. For running gear, we have 2 heavy-duty 3,500-pound 5-lug axles with brakes on 1 axle standard. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub's center cap off and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 4 15-inch premium radial 6-ply tires mounted on 5-hole high-grade steel wheels. You also have the option for a mounted spare tire and wheel that is located on the passenger side of the trailer where it's out of the way yet easily accessible. At the back of the trailer are the doors which latch back when dumping your load. The 6x10 has 2 doors that open like barn doors. The 5x10 comes with a single swing door. Another important standard feature is that almost all moving points on the trailer have grease zerks for easy lubrication and years of trouble-free use. When it comes to the paint and finish on the trailer, Texas Pride spares absolutely no expense. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. Thank you for taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 7,000-pound bumper pull dump trailers.